We are ready to put the deck heads in. Doing it right now.
It has some order to it.
Since our boat was sitting here for so long without any of the support, it settled down. And as you can see here, the original support does not longer fit.
So what we're gonna do is sort of a bush kind of method. We're gonna use a car jack to prop it up, attach it at both ends, and then leave it like that until I can get proper support for the arc. I have a bunch of holes that were left from the previous fittings that probably were on this boat a long time ago. Never really found a way to plug them up, but I'll give this a try. It is ultimate high performance glue, sandable and paintable and 100% waterproof. Basically this glue expands and foams up and fills every crevice you have until it can't no more, and then hardens like that. As you can see, the expanded and the extra is protruding from the hole, and I'm just gonna sand it down and make it flat. When I sanded them down, I realized that the bubbles that the glue creates actually left a few voids in there itself. I still ended up filling it with silicone. Originally the boat didn't have any rails on it, but I did want to put some in because I will have kids on it. Safety first, right? I've got rails from Albin Vega, I believe. That was 28 feet or 26 feet. So probably slightly bigger than what I need, but we'll see how I can fit them in. Definitely longer than what I need for this boat, but I'll put stanchions closer together and we'll make it stronger. However, right away I found a couple of problems. The foot of the stanchion has this ledge right here that I'll probably just straighten out in a press and put it flat on the ground. So that's not a big problem really. And problem number two, for the very front of the railing, I have this peg that doesn't have really an attachment or a shoe for it, so I'm gonna use a railing attachment, a stainless steel railing attachment that I am just gonna slide that in and attach it to the bow in this manner with screwing that fitting over top. Another step closer to sailing. Rails are done, almost. The only thing that's left is tighten them at the back. But yeah, super excited.